here to tell you about the Geek X cell phone holder. Now, we all have cell phones, right? But we're limited in the ways that we can use them. This is the Geek X. It's simple to use and straightforward. You can bend it any way and get crafty with the ways that you place it. There's also a clasp that attaches to tables and other surfaces. A rule of thumb, don't coil the base so tightly. If you do, it's gonna fall over. Nice. I also use the Geek X as a book light. Just, if I want to take a break from looking at screens. I'm also finding out that I am a very fast reader. Oh, hey, look. No hands. Ooh. Text message. So to make sure that my phone doesn't get wet or dirty, I prop it up with the Geek X, because I'm kind of a messy cook. Oh, now I lost my place. Never said I was good. Now, let's say you're trying to take a selfie, but you can't get the entire background in frame. With the Geek X, you have more options and can be crafty in how you get the shot. Whether it's getting the perfect FaceTime in the bathroom or watching TV before going to bed, the Geek X is something you have to have. Make sure to get yours today.
Introducing the Portable Laptop Stand by Desk York. It's a unique and functional gift for your friends and family members. The lightweight folding design allows you to carry your ergonomic laptop stand anywhere you go, keeping your living and working space neat and organized. Whether you want to relax in bed, sit comfortably on your chair, watch your favorite show while cooking in your kitchen, or get some office work done, this adjustable and versatile laptop stand is for you. The Desk York laptop stand has auto-locking joints and can be rotated 360 degrees, so you can adjust the legs freely for the most comfortable position. You can easily connect a USB cord to your computer to power the quiet cooling fans. Our versatile laptop stand is easy to set up, and you can use it virtually anywhere, as a writing desk, a tablet holder, a snack tray, or a book stand. An adjustable mouse pad is included for your convenience and can be easily attached to the laptop stand. Our product is made with durable materials, like anti-oxidized aluminum alloy bracket to ensure that your laptop stand will work for you for a long time. Experience the latest innovation in home and office comfort with Desk York. It's everything that you need in a portable and adjustable laptop stand.
Like most people, I live a busy and constantly interrupted life. Meetings throughout the day, work to prepare, presentations to get ready for.
My day-to-day life is busy. You're always on the go. You have a career, you have a child. You have to take care of yourself and your family and the home.
How are my son's grades? Is he going to be ready so I can get to work? Do we have bananas on the counter?
And it all adds up to a pretty stressful situation.
Muse has really helped me to be more focused.
It would help you de-stress. It would help you become less reactive.
It just gives you the ability to live in the present.
Meet Ollie, the app-controlled robot driven by adrenaline. This rough and tumble roller lives for only two things: speed and tricks.
Core features.
Built to go wicked fast, Ollie redlines at a floor-warping 14 miles an hour. Combine that speed with full gesture controls, and Ollie can pull off some pretty sweet stunts. Steer with your thumb or turn your device sideways to enter trick mode. Do a trick correctly, and the app will automatically tell you just how awesome your trick was. If Ollie's too fast for you, you can always tone him down in the settings screen.
Toughness.
Worried that all those tricks and speed are gonna hurt Ollie? Psh, Ollie's been wrapped in a durable polycarbonate.
Han Solo style.
We've literally sent this thing off a cliff and it still kept going.
Getting started.
Charge Ollie up using the USB cable, and then download the free Ollie app to your iOS or Android device. With a full charge, open the app, place your device next to Ollie, and watch him connect via Bluetooth LE.
It's based on magic.
From there, you can choose between two drive modes to run Ollie in. Keep Ollie's tires on for ultra grip and hard cornering, or take them off to become a super drift machine.
Accessories.
You can also customize Ollie's look with one of the new tire hubcap options that feature more colors and designs. With LEDs, a 30-meter range, and an hour of non-stop play off a single charge, you can kiss your average toy goodbye.
Adios, muchachos.
This is Ollie, and it's time to upgrade your play.
We've all been there. You're trying to get some hard-earned sleep, but your kid is wide awake and making it very difficult. You need help. Introducing Mela, the all-in-one children's clock designed to keep your kid in bed longer. Mela is an alarm clock, sleep trainer, sleep sound machine, nightlight, and nap timer rolled into one adorable package. Mela goes to sleep when your kid goes to sleep. Set the desired sleep time, and Mela will do the rest. Mela lets your kid know when it's almost time to get up. When Mela turns green, it's time to wake up. By using a combination of facial expressions and bright colors, Mela teaches your kid when it's time for bed and when it's okay to wake up. Choose from a variety of nightlight color options and sleep sounds to create the optimal bedtime environment for your child. Mela doesn't just help your family sleep better at night. Mela's timer feature comes in handy for those midday naps, timeouts, and other timed play activities. With Mela, you can provide a healthy, comfortable bedtime environment for your child while teaching good sleeping habits. Mela, brought to you by Little Hippo. Parenthood just got easier.
What if it was simple to use a regular pen and paper notebook while saving everything in the cloud, perfectly organized the way you want? And what if after you saved your notes in the cloud and filled your paper notebook, you could just erase it with the push of a button and use it again? That's not magic, that's the Rocketbook Wave Notebook. With the Wave Notebook and the Rocketbook app, you instantly blast your notes into the cloud using your mobile device. In a fraction of a second, Rocketbook Machine Vision scans, enhances, and sends each page to the specific destination they belong on the cloud services you already use. Each Wave Notebook page has 7 symbols. Set up the Rocketbook app to assign each symbol to a location within Dropbox, Google Docs, Evernote, or simply to your email inbox. Let's see how Jake has his set up. He marks the diamond symbol and the Rocketbook app sends the notes to his customer meetings notes in Evernote. When he's brainstorming, he marks the star symbol, which he decided are for the notes that belong in his ideas folder in Google Docs. Now that your notes are in the cloud, when your notebook is filled, there's no need to go buy another book or let used notebooks clutter your life. Here's how you can reuse your Wave notebook multiple times with the mere push of a button. Take your notes using Friction Pilot pens, available in many office supply stores and Amazon.com. Friction Pilot ink turns clear under heat, and the Wave notebook is specially designed to be microwave safe. That means you can clear your entire Wave notebook in your microwave in the same amount of time it takes to make a cup of tea. When our specially designed thermal logo on the cover turns from blue to white, your Wave notebook has been cleared and is ready to be reused. And with your notes in the cloud, an empty notebook has endless possibilities. The utility of the cloud and the joy of pen and paper. That's Rocketbook.
Electronic devices make our lives easier and better. But charging them all is a different story. Keeping them organized is nearly impossible and beyond frustrating. Introducing Hercules Tough 6-port charging station. This beautifully designed charging station was built to charge and organize up to 6 devices at once. 50 watts of power with smart chip technology.
Because running a business takes power.
Being a boss mom takes power.
Being a family takes power.